Thank you for joining me today. In this video, I'll be giving you the price update of Kaspa coin, considering the chart pattern, some technical indicators, and the current news trending within the social media handle of this particular coin. For those of you who are new to this channel and are interested in videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and on your notification bell so you will always be notified whenever I make new videos like this on this channel. Going back to the previous hours of this particular coin, you realize that it has been on this downtrend for a long period of time. But then when you come back to our current position or structure, you realize that it has actually broken above the 200 EMA within this region before the reversal that led to this current consolidation, and there's a high possibility that it can still retest the 200 EMA and break above it to begin an uptrend, because considering the last candlestick and our current candlestick, which will be closing in an hour, you'd realize that the last candlestick was a green candle showing an indication that the bulls are in charge of the market, and then the current candlestick for this hour is actually a thick green candle, which is also a strong indication that the bulls are in charge of the market. So if it will continue like this, then we have a strong faith that Kaspa would break above the 200 EMA and begin an uptrend. Now, considering the stochastic RSI, we are currently in between the oversold region and the overbought region, and this is actually a sign of consolidation. And so when you go back to the current position of the price, you'd realize that we've experienced a consolidation, and then the last two candles are two green candles, which is a sign of a likely uptrend. Now, considering the current position of the coin using the stochastic RSI, it's actually difficult to determine the next direction of the coin. So we are in between the overbought and the oversold region, and then when you look into the price or the chart, you'd realize that in a way we can actually predict the next direction because of our candlestick pattern. So if the indicator shows that we are in between the oversold and overbought region, where we don't really know if it will reverse to the upside or it will continue going down to the oversold region, the best thing to do is to use our candlestick to make our analysis. So with our stochastic RSI, we are in an indecisive position, a critical position where we do not know the next direction of the coin. But then with our candlesticks, we have some clue on the possible direction of the coin, because our last candlestick was a green candle showing an indication that the bulls are in charge of the market, and then our current candlestick is also a green candle, and this is a sign that the bulls are in charge of the market. Now, this is the official Twitter handle of Kaspa coin, and if you go down to check the trending news on this particular token, you'd realize that about 3 days ago they made a tweet talking about Kaspa being listed on Bitget exchange. When investors and traders hear about something like this, the next move they would likely take is to buy the token and hold it until the listing, because most of the traders and investors believe that when a token is listed in a new major exchange, there's a high tendency that the token would pump. And so because they want to make profit from the token, they jump into buying this token. In the process of investors and traders buying Kaspa token because of this news and update on the listing of Kaspa on Bitget, the price of Kaspa is currently showing a bullish signal, and then there's a high tendency that it will experience a massive pump after the listing on the exchange. This is an indication that some investments are actually going into Kaspa right now, and this is the reason why we are seeing some bullish movements. If we are to check the market performance on CoinMarketCap, you'd realize that Kaspa has a 24 hours trading volume of $11.4 million, a fully diluted market cap of $733 million, and a market cap of $462 million. This particular trading volume is actually a huge indication that enough transactions are going on within the ecosystem of this particular coin. So many people are buying as much as so many people are selling. But the good indication we have right here is that the buyers are more than the sellers, because if the buyers are not more than the sellers, we won't be having this green signal. We won't be having about 15.9% pump on the price of Kaspa. And you can see that if you check the price action right here, you'd realize that Kaspa is bullish by about 4.26%. And this is actually a very good indication that we might experience a good pump on the price of this particular coin within the next 24 hours or within the next few days until the listing of the coin on BitGet exchange. So these are the basic informations I have for you on this particular coin. If you are to make any investment, be sure you are willing to make your investment before investing. I'm not a financial advisor, and none of these informations I'm presenting to you is a financial advice. I'm just giving you my opinion based on what I see happening within the ecosystem of the coin, and then I leave you to make your choice of investment based on your own opinion and what you feel about the market. So don't forget to like this video so it will reach out to more people here on YouTube, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and on the notification bell so you will always be notified whenever I upload new videos like this on YouTube.